Hi guys. We are continuing to discuss the tutorial of Livebinder. And from the first video, we left off the UDL/DI. So I'm going to show you how to insert a link or copy and paste the link. As you may see, all I pretty much did was just highlight the URL. Like if I want to do like a research, just highlight the URL inside the box. And I just pretty much copied and paste. If you want to like insert the link to make your readers too easy for them, sorry, excuse me, trying to get my words together, for your readers to easily get access into the website, what you can do, you can go to the website, or you can, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the URL. I'm going to copy it. So I press Control C. I'm going to go to Insert, and you should click on Insert Link, and it's going to pop up the URL. As you may see, you have the text display, and once I copy and paste it, it's already going to pop up here to the text display. And I'm going to also give it a title. So the title of the website that I used was UDL Guidelines. I'm going to click OK, and that's what's going to pop up. So in that way, it's going to be easier for your readers to get access if they want to learn more about the website. You can also go to File and Save. Just click Save, so it's going to save that. And or you can also click Save here. Where it says Save here, you can click Save here. Normally, the Livebinder will end up automatically saving your binder, but it's safely for you to save it on your own because it may be some stuff that you have typed in these two boxes and you really want to save. Okay, so let's say for instance that you want a cover on your binder. Okay, so you're going to go to Settings, I'm going to click Settings, and you're going to go to Cover. Click that. So as you may see, I have a cover on my binder. So let's say I want to upload it. Well, I can go to Browse, and these are the pictures that I have gotten from Google. So pretty much I just right clicked and saved my pictures onto my desktop, because you never know when you're ever going to browse something, or maybe copy and paste. But I mostly like just pretty much save my pictures onto my laptop. So anyway, I'm going to click this picture because this is the picture I want for my cover, and I'm going to click Open, and then my name is already on here of what I saved on my file, and I'm going to click Upload. And you see how it changed the cover. So that's going to be the cover of my binder. And once I'm done, I'm going to click Save. So it's going to take me back to, hold on, it's auto saving right now. Okay. So it's going to take me back to this page. And let's say, for instance, that you want to change your binder from public to private. So you're going to click Access. And as you may see, I had already changed it to private. So let's say I want to change it back to public. Well, I'm going to click on that down arrow, and I'm going to look. It's a lot of things, like however you want to do it, like a copy display, but I'm going to click on public copyable. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. Again, the auto save will be on a Livebinder, but again, I just want to save it to be sure. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to exit out of there. So right here you have colors. So say for instance you want to change your background from red to another color. I'm going to click Set Background Color, and you can move this little thing here. It's white. You can move it up, down, wherever your favorite color is. And let's say I want to make it light blue or something. And you see that this is the color set background. And let's say I want to change my tab color from black to another color. Again, you could take this white little marker right here, and you can move it up and down. and then you can probably like maybe matter of fact change it to a dark blue, and you're gonna press OK, and your tab color is set to this. Now for your sub tab, it's just something. Oh, I'm sorry, you're gonna click save. Okay, make sure you save that. Your sub tab is pretty much if you have something that's dealing with like UDL or DI. So that's when you pretty much like just come here, click on sub tab, and then it may, it's going to pop up under here. So let's also say, for instance, that you don't want the disability, the disability learning here, and you want to move it to the left. Okay, I'm going to click this, and you see this down arrow here? I'm going to click that down arrow, and let's say I want to move my sub tab to the left. Well, as you may see, you see sub tab left. I'm going to move it to the left, and let's say I want to probably move it to the right. Then you're going to move it to the right. You're going to click that down arrow again, and you're going to see move left, move right. Now let's say I want to delete my sub tab. I'm going to click here where I have a big X, delete this sub tab. And it's going to pop up saying, are you sure? You're going to say, okay. Okay. And again, this is the same thing as the tabs here, but the sub tab is just something that probably can relate to the topic that you're discussing from your original tab. Okay, so we have done that. Pretty much that's all I can really say. Well, one more thing before we go. I'm going to click on my binder for just in case that you want to see your process on how your binder looks. But you know what? What I can do is I can show you my binder that I have. So if you want to take a look at your binder again, you're going to click this open. So really you're going to hover over your mouse and then you're going to click open. And this is how my binder looks right now. I have a cover, I have a title, I have a welcome. So pretty much I'm making my Livebinder live. And this is how that is going to look. And again, I just copy and paste my picture. I got it from Google. Excuse me, I have sinus infection, but I have gotten it from Google, and I have written like my philosophy on here. And then this is my UDL, and this is the I've described what the website is about. I also shared the link for my readers to click on and to actually easily go into the website. Now, let's say, for instance, that you missed a word from one of the boxes or from one of the tabs and you want to go back and edit it. Well, you're going to click on this little gray box here and you're going to click edit. It's going to take you to the tab where you want to edit. For one moment. I'm sorry, okay. Let me kind of like refresh it. It also will do that as well. So, I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's say again you want to edit. So I'm going to click on edit and it should pop up like this. And so let's say you want to go back to the tab, and mostly like whatever tab you wanted to go, it should take you back here. And then that's when you go ahead and you just edit whatever you want. And again, make sure you save it. If you want to save it here, again, you go on file and you click save. Then you go on here, or you can go on here and just click save, and it automatically saves. So this is how your binder should look. So if you have any questions or concerns about Livebinder, please make sure you comment below, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Have a blessed day.